Mag64 is a mineral supplement used to prevent and treat low levels of magnesium in the blood. It can also be used to treat symptoms of too much stomach acid like stomach upset, heartburn, and acid indigestion. Magnesium is essential for the normal functioning of cells, nerves, muscles, bones, and the heart. Normally, a well-balanced diet provides enough magnesium, but certain situations can cause the body to lose magnesium faster than it can be replaced from the diet. These situations include treatment with water pills, a poor diet, alcoholism, or medical conditions such as severe diarrhea/vomiting, absorption problems, or poorly controlled diabetes. The daily dosage and optimal timing for Mag64 should be determined by a healthcare professional. When taking Mag64, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. It's best to take this magnesium supplement with a meal to reduce stomach upset and diarrhea, unless directed otherwise by your doctor. Remember to take each dose with a full glass of water, unless instructed otherwise by your doctor. If you're taking extended-release capsules or delayed-release/enteric-coated tablets, swallow them whole. Don't crush or chew them, as this can increase the risk of side effects. If you're taking chewable tablets, be sure to chew each one thoroughly before swallowing. If you're using a liquid product, be sure to use a medication measuring device to carefully measure the dose. It's important to take this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. The dosage of Mag64 is based on your medical condition and response to treatment, so be sure not to increase your dose or take it more often than directed. If you experience symptoms of low magnesium blood levels, such as muscle cramps, tiredness, irritability, or depression, be sure to inform your doctor. And if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience stomach upset or diarrhea while taking Mag64, try taking it with a meal to reduce these effects. If these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Although serious side effects are rare, seek immediate medical help if you experience symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that your doctor has determined that the benefits of taking this medication outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people who use Mag64 do not experience serious side effects. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, consult your doctor or pharmacist. As for the daily dosage and timing, follow your doctor's instructions. And if you have any concerns about the side effects, don't hesitate to contact your doctor for medical advice. Before taking Mag64, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. If you have kidney disease, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using this product. Some forms of Mag64 may contain sugar, aspartame, or alcohol, so if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, liver disease, or phenylketonuria, PKU, it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you're pregnant, only use Mag64 if it's clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, consult your doctor before using Mag64 if you are breastfeeding. When taking Mag64, it's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications. For example, magnesium can bind with certain medications, preventing their full absorption. If you are taking a tetracycline-type medication, it's recommended to separate the time of the dose from the time of the magnesium supplement dose by at least 2 to 3 hours. The same goes for bisphosphonates, thyroid medications, and quinolone-type antibiotics. It's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist to find a dosing schedule that works with all your medications. Additionally, it's important to check the labels on all your prescription and non-prescription/herbal products, as they may contain magnesium. It's always a good idea to ask your pharmacist about using those products safely while taking Mag64. Remember to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist to ensure the best possible outcomes. If someone has taken too much Mag64 and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include slow heartbeat, severe drowsiness, dizziness, confusion, muscle weakness, and loss of consciousness. It's crucial to get help right away if you or someone else has taken too much Mag64. And as always, it's important to take medications as directed by a healthcare professional. When taking Mag64, it's important to go for regular lab tests to monitor magnesium levels and kidney function. Make sure to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. There are different forms of magnesium supplements available, each with varying amounts of magnesium. Many of them can be purchased without a prescription. It's recommended to seek assistance from your doctor or pharmacist in choosing the best product for you. In addition to taking the supplement, it's essential to maintain a well-balanced diet. Foods that are high in magnesium include avocados, bananas, beans, whole grain cereals, green vegetables, and nuts. It's important to incorporate these foods into your diet to ensure you're getting enough magnesium. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider for the optimal daily dosage and the best time to take this supplement. If you forget to take a dose of Mag64, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Mag64 at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep it out of the bathroom and away from the reach of children and pets. When you no longer need Mag64 or it has expired, make sure to properly discard it. Check with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. And remember, never flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.